print square of 1 to 10 natural numbers using while loop. So first I will take a variable I equals to 1 where the loop is starting. Then while, and within while I'll put a condition I less than equals to 10. I'll give a colon for the starting of the block, then t equals to I into I. So the calculation is done. Now I will print, first I will give a space of each line, and then I'll print the value of I, then I'll print another statement equal, and then again I will print another variable t. After that I will increase the value of I plus 1. So I equals to I plus 1. So it's done. Let's run this program. It's till up to 10, so from starting from 1, square of 1, and it goes till 10 equals to 100. Thank you.